Our Mitsubishi Raider Project Truck has gained a bit more ground clearance and a more level stance, courtesy of our friends at ReadyLift in Costa Mesa, California. We weren't looking to make a radical change in the height of our Raider, but we had found quite a few instances where a bit more clearance to step over obstacles would have been appreciated. We spoke to the folks at ReadyLift about our situation, but at the time, they didn't have a kit to fit our Raider, or its mechanical twin, the Dodge Dakota. We volunteered our Mitsubishi for the purposes of engineering a new lift kit, and the ReadyLift staff went to work. After much measuring and calculation, they fitted a set of strut extensions above the Raider's stock struts and lifted the front end of our truck about 1.5 inches. This also leveled out the tail-high attitude of most empty pickup trucks. However, since our Raider is four-wheel drive, there was a need to limit the downward travel of the front wheels so the CV joints on the front axle wouldn't bind. Some further measuring and design work was needed, and the ReadyLift folks came up with stops to limit the movement of the control arms so the CV joints could remain at a safe angle when the front wheels were extended to their maximum travel. Once everything was installed, it was time for some testing. And we were pleased to find how much difference that relatively small lift made in stepping over rugged surfaces without scraping bottom. After extensive off-pavement pounding, ReadyLift examined the parts they had installed to make sure their design would meet the rigorous standards they set for their products. Everything passed their inspection, and a new kit for production was born. The modest lift provides the benefits of extra clearance for off-pavement driving and the fitment of larger tires, without raising our truck's center of gravity so much as to have adverse effects on the good handling traits we've come to enjoy so much with the Mitsubishi. ReadyLift specializes in fabricating easy-to-install kits to lift and level most models of pickups and SUVs. Whether utilizing their Smart Strut technology extenders, torsion bar keys, coil spacers, or block kits are thoroughly engineered and tested to provide a safe, dependable lift for your truck. Their kits are quick and easy to install and provide an economical way to add a couple of extra inches of clearance for obstacles or larger tires. Since ReadyLift's strut extensions don't require any spring compression, a couple of hours for a do-it-yourselfer in the driveway, and you'll be back on the road or off-road in short order with a taller truck. You can check out their product line at ReadyLift.com. Our Mitsubishi is now stepping over rough terrain easier, and the standard Raider's good ride and handling are still intact, so we're quite pleased with our latest modification. We thank the ReadyLift folks for their assistance with our project and for allowing us to be in on the birth of a new product.
Stay right